Good morning, West Hampton Beach. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Anna. Welcome to Period 3's May 3rd show.
Hey, Anna. Nice suit. Looks like you're ready for junior prom tonight.
Yeah, it's my third time going. Hopefully my date this year knows how to dance.
Yeah, hopefully mine does too. Belle, Amelia, and Anna took a look at some of the junior boys working on their dancing skills.
Oh, shoot. Prom's today. I gotta call the boys.
Hey, Kevin, what's up?
Oh my god, prom's today?
No way.
I don't know how to dance, eh?
What's up, Nick? Wait, you mean today? I gotta learn how to dance.
Hey, Chris, what do you need? That's today? Call up the boys. We gotta learn how to dance.
Yeah.
We gotta dance.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Next to the PlayStation controller is a full clip in my pistol. Send a jacker into a coma.
Yo, boys, found this video. Come watch.
Welcome to my prom edition of Easy Wedding Dance.
I think we're ready for prom.
I think we're set.
Yeah, man, let's go. Let's go.
Wow, hopefully the boys use those skills at prom tonight.
Yeah, I think it'll be a really fun Friday night.
Speaking of Friday, what did you do to celebrate Arbor Day last Friday?
I forgot to celebrate, but George, Jesse, and Julia gave us a closer look at their celebration.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. I was just totally admiring Arbor Day.
Wait, George, what's Arbor Day?
What do you mean you don't know what Arbor Day is?
Dude, no one knows what Arbor Day is.
It's like Miss Weber's favorite holiday. Let's see if WHB actually knows what Arbor Day is. What is Arbor Day?
I have no clue.
What is Arbor Day? No, he didn't got it, no. Do you know what Arbor Day is?
Is it some day named after someone?
The rumors were true, that nobody in West Hampton Beach actually knew what Arbor Day was. It's now up to me and Mr. Jesse to show the school what's about. So we're here by the side of the tree walk by Chase Bank. We have 36 trees to look at. Let's start looking.
Arbor Day is a holiday dedicated to public tree planting in the US, Australia, and other countries. This year it was celebrated on Friday, April 26th.
We are here at number 325, the Japanese red maple. We actually just planted this tree as well.
It's so important to protect the environment, so we encourage everyone in WHB to plant a tree.
Hey, did you know Stanford's mascot is a tree?
I had no idea, but I did learn a lot of new mascots on Decision Day.
Me too. I can't believe we're leaving so soon.
Alexa, Madison, Hollie, and Will gave us a look at where we're all headed next year.
May 1st is a national day where seniors finalize their future decisions for the next 4 years. Let's check out where our WHB Hurricanes are headed.
James Madison University.
University of Georgia.
Ithaca College.
University of Delaware.
University of Massachusetts Amherst.
Salve Regina University. Williams College.
Florida Southern College.
Clemson University.
Centenary University.
Salisbury University.
Quinnipiac University.
Tarleton State University.
Pace University.
University at Buffalo.
Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University.
University of Michigan.
SUNY Geneseo.
Duke University. The Ohio State University.
Penn State University.
SUNY Oneonta.
Fairfield University.
Elon University. SUNY Cortland. SUNY Albany.
Binghamton University.
University of New Hampshire.
SUNY Farmingdale.
SUNY New Paltz. Long Island University.
Villanova University.
Cornell University.
University of Richmond.
Stony Brook University.
Tulane University.
St. Joseph's University.
Monmouth University.
Catholic University. Boston College.
University of Alabama.
Emerson College. University of New Haven.
Miami University.
Florida State University.
Yale University.
Boston University.
Siena College.
University of Wisconsin.
University of Oklahoma.
SUNY Geneseo. SUNY Cortland.
New York University.
Roger Williams University.
Molloy College.
St. Joseph's College.
Suffolk Community College.
Wake Forest University.
Eckerd College.
Wow, I'm gonna miss everyone next year.
Me too. We're going to have to make sure to keep in touch.
Of course, keep the streak alive.
Well, that's it for this week. See you at prom.
And have a great weekend.
Hey, buen maestro.